everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing a stocking.
Whoa. So this is the stocking what I'm gonna draw?
What a cute stocking. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get started. Come on, join us, guys. Alright, so let's get started with the stocking. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is first we're gonna draw something that looks like a small rectangle.
Okay.
So we're gonna draw a horizontal line going across. Yeah. Then we're gonna go up a little bit vertically. And then the same thing on the other side. Good job.
Thank you.
And then we're gonna connect the two lines.
Wow.
And then we're gonna draw the stocking part where all the goodies go in. Oh, Emmy already did it. Okay.
I'm doing it for
So we're gonna draw a horizontal line going down.
Did you know I did this? So like the candies are like too full up.
Oh, you got a lot of candy in yours?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna make it look a little bit like a boot. So I'm gonna come down.
Great idea.
Yeah.
And then we could draw whatever we want. We could draw little snowflakes, little candy canes, whatever we think. Emmy's gonna put an E for her name, and I'm gonna put a K.
I already did it.
You're so quick. And then I'm gonna draw a K.
Super.
So we're gonna get started on coloring the stockings. Emmy girl, I think she wants to do pink, just like this one that she picked out. And I'll probably do a red one. So you guys can pick whatever color you want and join us. Alright guys, we're done with our stockings. How did you like this one?
Good.
Oh, I like your snowman.
So
Yeah,
cute.
your little snowflakes.
Yeah, and here is the snowballs.
Those are cute. I did my like a candy cane, and I added Santa Claus belt to my little stocking.
Ooh.
I know. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining us.
Bye.
Bye.